Now how are you going to get back? Guys, got 2 more minutes, okay? Davis, your shoe's in the water. Davis, get your shoe out of the water. Well, if you want to have wet feet the rest of the day.
Now here's my binoculars, okay? I want you to take them so they don't get lost. Okay? Here you go.
Put them around your neck and then come back up the hill. That way you can keep your balance. Put them around your neck. Put them around your neck. Now you can use both hands to get up the hill. Okay, go ahead up. Davis, it's time to get going, alright?
Let's see if we can find any more.
Davis, James, time to hurry back, alright? Do you need help? Hey guys, let's go. I'm not kidding. Let's go, Davis. Come on.
Real rock climber. I'm going to be a real rock climber. See? Look, I'm a real rock climber.
Right.